Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you where to set up your login authentication type. Once you've logged into your Enforcer Management Portal, you will click on the menu and then click on Reseller Profile. You have two login authentication types. A single factor only requires your admin email address. An email will be sent to you with a link where you will be able to gain access to your management portal. A two-factor authentication type, you will require an admin email address as well as a password. If you choose a two-factor authentication type, you will need to click on Update Password and enter your information and click Update Password. Always remember to click Update once you've made any changes. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.